The top stories. Former Chief Minister O. Ibobi blames ruling party of adopting divide and rule policy. MPCC observes 162nd birth anniversary of Bir Tikendrajit. And NUPI SAMAJ observes 38th Foundation Day of Meira paibee. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Former Chief Minister O. Ibobi has blamed the ruling party for adopting divide and rule policy as a delayed tactic. Addressing a press conference, he said the centre and the state government think of only short-term solution regarding the territorial integrity issues of the state. Besides, adopting divide and rule policy by BJP is the root cause of multiple issues. He also questioned BJP's contributions in the last 5 or 10 years development in India.
NDA government have BJP-led government se moidi karigumba solution namata puthoknaba tawdaba haiba tare divide and rule policy do adum tawraga delay tawdan delay taw thambaji moigi habit ni Atal Bihari Vajpayee na sahi manga Narendra Modi ji na sahi manga haya khalasiaba sidanga sigi India da lairiba telecommunication ki hairo or science ki lamda hairo amada hairo tawriba mayam se Congress matamda moina di sahi humpu haiba humpu sida semgalaptana matang semgalaptana India singa sidi prithvi ki super power ki lamji and sangsel ibse moina macet tam anirak tawraga moina Egypt moina semba dauna tawbse masidi aidi moigi damuta ikai bi haiba tare.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee organized the 162nd birth anniversary celebration of Bir Tikendrajit, who laid down his life for his motherland. The celebration was held at the party office at BT Road today. MPCC State President T.N. Hoke, former Chief Minister O. Ibobi, and many Congress MLAs offered floral tributes to the photograph of the patriot, who was known for his bravery and sacrifices. Speaking on the occasion, former Chief Minister O. Ibobi said the present and future generations should remember Bir Tikendrajit for laying down his life for the land and opted to die instead of living as a slave.
Malibaksi mikha polaga lehugadobi sharpudi aisi hibana samrak hena phai haina nona farsi sagai ka khiba adugumba hero si koi matam punamakta magi phidam magi maringjen magi mathona tungda horkadoba suron charon koi punamona tamdana imalebak izati gi damtata kathokpada karimta halengba leitaba haibase koi manipuri ama oina Suraj Tikendrajit se koi manipura puam se koi khudimakna sauthokningai ni haidana ai sumaina.
All Manipur Women's Social Reformation and Development Samaj, NUPI Samaj, observed the 38th Foundation Day of Meira paibee at Ima Kuntokhanbi Sanglen on DM College campus today. The observance was attended by President of NUPI Samaj, Thokchom Ongbi Ramani Devi, President of Amkil, Fanjobam Ongbi Sakhi, President of All Manipur, Tamichingmi Apanbalup Soibam Ongbi, Momon Lema, President of UCM Sunil Karam, and other eminent personality of various CSOs. T.H. Ramani, President of NUPI Samaj, stated how Meira paibee was born.
Madani Shabani Haudoishi, Magi Nipana Matu Hatba, Adagi Kanabada, Tanga Tinadana, Tinaba Matang the Kamo when we Shigiba, Adi Matang the Machagi, Hostigi, Gochapu wood, Hugaibanga, Utaga, Sumbagi Mo, the Queen Fish Hamazina, all many Umian Swaseri, Pomeseri, ended the women's Hamazi, China, Machi, Chongdamanga, the Ganna by Kakipani. Maduna Sumlak Maduna. ꯁꯣꯛ 1940ꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯁꯄꯦꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯋꯔ ꯑꯃꯨꯕ ꯑꯥꯏꯟꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯥ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯨꯠ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯨꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯍꯋꯥ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯗ ꯂꯪꯈꯠꯄ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯟ ꯆꯪꯉꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯀꯥꯡꯍꯟ ꯊꯨꯗꯦꯛꯄ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯔꯛꯎ ꯀꯔꯥꯏ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯦꯅ ꯅꯩꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯌꯨ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯐꯩꯔꯦꯡ ꯁꯨꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯉꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯏꯅꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯌꯨ ꯁꯨꯡꯉꯒ ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯜꯂꯦ ꯀꯔꯕꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯔꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯄꯥꯅꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯦꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯆꯟ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯅꯦꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯁꯨ ꯃꯆꯤꯟ ꯃꯅꯥꯎ ꯁꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤꯗꯣ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯆꯟ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯃꯥꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯠꯄꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯊꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯁꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯉꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯌꯨꯁꯤ ꯊꯤꯡꯉꯣꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯔꯛꯏ ꯐꯣꯟꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯔꯛꯏ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯆꯧꯕꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛ ꯉꯝꯄꯣꯟꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯄꯨꯃꯥꯡ ꯃꯥꯡꯉꯦ ꯏꯕꯨꯡꯉꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯝꯃꯤ.
Sunil Karam, president of UCM, stated that the state has faced so many difficulties and challenges because of drugs, black draconian law and other issues. However, as such hard times, our brave women folk have strongly stood up against it from time to time, and they played a big role in spreading love and brotherhood among the different communities living in the state.
Hagulapuduna Maramarkana, Manipur Nishabandi Yosima Kana Sansala Akanda, Kogi Nishagi Kati Kananava Kana, Akogi NUPI SAMAJ Lokiba, Todama Kun Ukre, High Ribert. Nisha kanna thingai marak sida mo khanghaudana akoi Manipur da akoi Draconan Act Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 sina hek impose tawkhriba matungdagi akoi amuktang masigi sabi saitheng nupi kaya naha kaya pha khiba ijat mangan ga hat khiba mayam sing asigi chatharak pasi leptabna maram markana ing solising am chamapan maudra dagi 1980 dagi hauna Aikoi Manipur imasina kutta meira pairaganda sanura singkananaba pari singkananaba gi aduguma momentum ka hujipokta akogi security forces singna niot binai tawsing kanana.
He also opined on the current issue of Kishore Chandra Wangkem's arrest under NSA during the observance.
I namana tawam thokta ba khudamna like journalist Kishore Chandra Haki basi aikogi mana aikogi freedom of expression right to krap pondo da ele haidana aikogi NSA panba adra lenga ga sin NSA panba simakti masi chumdaba tawam thokta banina lawi tawodabo journalist oigara Manipur gi manungdagi praja sing oigara karigumba government natra kana gumba amabu sum thokningba natra criticize ama taunana ba hotna ba matamda society gi marakta gi yari ba kaidi yam unparliamentary language na singba wafam singji season adana aikuna criticize tauba aduga asumba mayon punonabudamukta any kinds of akogi Manipur le praja singna ayu kana gumong criticize tauba lebang musa taba mong tausi aduga hairi basingsi lengakna hekta haire adu tawre haidana magi mathakta NSA panba ya bagi right tumadi aidi leitena lawi maramadana ain kutta pairiba law enforcement agency lengak loisingna Prajaga samnana ba hona biu prajaga thaptok ner bataragadi Manipur se shanti leiba afabalanga haibado werpunga moy.
The Valley commander of KCP People's Work Group was apprehended by a team of Imphal West District Commando yesterday from Chazing Karam under the jurisdiction of Singzamay Police Station. It is worth mentioning that he was already in the NIA wanted list in connection with an ambush carried out on June 4, 2015 in Chandal district, in which 18 Jawans of 6 Dogra regiment were killed and another 15 were injured. Locals of Nagamapal today blocked the road in the area against the halt in the road broadening work. The irate locals stopped commuters on the streets from Kuyathong Pukri Achoba to Nagamapal. Advisor of Apunba Meira paibee Nagamapal, H. Bimola, who took part in the protest, said that the protest is being held so that the government resumes the construction work, which is now on hold. The locals were already facing shortage of water supply for around 10 years, and on top of that, failure to complete the under construction streets added the burden. She also mentioned that a memorandum has been submitted to the government. However, nothing has been done or improved so far.
Hanagi Sarkar leading the Hona Kosi, Lucian Biro, and Taknatan Lakpani. And Nasiba with a Koyasigum agitation, Gikunjang, Kosjang, the Lakpani, Wadi Sana Sanaraga. Mahaji, Anova Sarkar Lakpadagi, Honorable CM Dakoi, Miang Numita, Komayam Satana, Unajarure, Hajarure, Adudagiamu, Wax Minister Masamata, Akoi Alaman Satana, Memoriam Pisalure, Adagi, Akoi Chito Biro, and Lucian Biro in Hire. Karigumba, Lenona Yada, Okoi support or eviction to Topiro. Lambi Pak Tokti Haragan in a seat of Kakpaya, the case lay a duto, Yadata, we had a net long Yanabiro, I had a Donarasia Quisa, he's a young Quireba. Adu Matunda, Handaxia Moquena, ISTB da, go, Numi Mangania, quite announced Tokre. Quisi Silo Shanbiro, Silo Shanbina, last November Tabogi, December, Tabogi Manung, the Lucian Bilataraga, the Aqua Makata, Kunjang Junction, and he had an Aqua Hapsagare. Adu Matunda.
On the other hand, PWD officials visited the place around 1 p.m. and after a negotiation with the meira paibees, the protest was withdrawn. Senior resident doctors of Jenims has called for a cease work strike today against the failure of Jenims authority to fulfill their long-pending demands. Teachers Association of Jenims is going to shut down the hospital indefinitely if the demands are not met by January 2nd of this year. Senior resident doctor of Psychiatry Department, Dr. S. Bikramaditya, who took part in today's cease work strike, reiterated their demands. The demands were promotion of regular senior residents, demonstrators, tutors, and cancellation of newly conducted DPC for selection of assistant professor. He further said, Chief Minister N. Biren has already given an assurance on October 2nd in a meeting. However, no action has been taken so far.
Verbal agreement with our Honorable Chief Minister on the 2nd October regarding our demands. Demands means we have 77 regular doctors. Out of these, 35 doctors are already qualified, all are MD, MS, and they are qualified to promote up to assistant professor. Again on 2nd October, our Honorable CM give verbal assurance that with 35 doctors will be promoted at the earliest, and number one, and number two, we have also demand for the absorption of the tenure doctors. There are about 25 tenure doctors. They are also mostly specialists. So we doctors, we demanded for their complete absorption on a regular basis.
Senior resident doctors also took part in the protest, and 3 senior resident doctors also donated blood as a part of the ongoing protest. Manipur police has tightened security to avert untoward incidents ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the state, which is scheduled for January 4th. Mass search drive was conducted at various places in Imphal city today.
Imphal West and Imphal East police continue cordon and search operations at various places in Imphal ahead of the Prime Minister's visit to the state. A combined team of Imphal West Commando and Singjamai police conducted search operation in Kwakathil Konjeng Lekai and Airport Maningningombam areas this morning. The cordon and search operation was conducted from 7 to 8:30 under the supervision of Additional SP Operations Imphal West, Krishna Tombi. About 450 persons were verified, while at least 80 houses were searched in the drive. Singjamai police picked up 5 persons for further interrogation. The Bazaar unit of Imphal West Commando also conducted similar drive at Khairamban Market and Ngari Gali this morning. The drive was conducted from 8:15 to 8:45. At least 180 persons were verified, while 28 others were handed over City Police Station for further interrogation. On the other hand, a combined team of Imphal East Commando, Narcotics Cell, women police personnel of Porompat Police Station and personnel of Reserved Line conducted cordon and search operation in Khurai Puthiba Lekai and Khurai Chandam Lekai under the jurisdiction of Porompat Police Station today. The search operation was conducted from 5:30 to 6:45 this morning. In all, 150 persons including 40 female were verified during the operation. 3 bailouts of proscribed group were also picked up for routine verification. Bazaar unit of Imphal West District Commando also conducted search operation in Dharmshala and Governor Road areas afternoon today. The operation was conducted from 2:30 to 3:45. Altogether, 359 persons were verified, while 29 others were handed over to city police for further interrogation. On the other hand, a team of Imphal East Commando led by O.C. Khogen conducted cordon and search operation at Singjamai, Bhaigabati Laikai from 3:30 to 4:30 this evening. In all, 50 houses were searched while 80 men and 120 women were verified during the operation. However, no pickups were done.
Well, it's time now for a short break.
Lebak miyam da salai na khangan jaba. Lamdam masigi nung sijaraba media ki istil naw singna lebak ki damakta lawriba thodang asibu wakhal ki lawsingi amadi haisingba lamda hena khumang choksinabagi amadi magul leiba thodang lownabagi pandamda salaina salai manung amadi mapa lebakta paikaliba thabak torom singi progress development amadi status sing adu lebak miyam punna khangmin na hongnabagi pandamda nolokna hangat charba matungda loine jaba khaktani masida salai khakki oijaba thiba amadi karabargi miyengda chachaba nate matang asida karigumba tananingba amadi khananingba leirabasu salaina madugi tanjadu thamjabaga loinana thonglawna hangna thamjari handaki Jack Republic ki khongchat adu salai khakki natana ireiba iramdam asigi settlement amadi wakhal lawsingi pangalgi loinana haisimbagi lamda khunai asina thengnariba amadi mayoknariba chaithingsing asibu maru fangna kohonnabagi pandamda chatkiba khongchat amani laibak phabadi handaki Jack Republic ki khongchat aduda sotharaba iramdam asigi settlement kharada orebasu phagatnabagi damak salai gi maikaidagi haijarubada tabiduna Jack ki khwaidagi chawba CSOB na achoba senpham ama loan oina pibinebagi ayaba du ayibo oina pibirakpa sini matang asida samjaningo famdi salaine lawjariba thodang asina samajda lebak asida amadi kanagumba organization amatada akaiba natraga kairakadaba leirabadi salaigi pandam oina sakhatpa ireiba iramdam ama puraknabagi sahi kungi kathokpagi khongchet asi lepnabagi fire phawba lawraktuna kanagumba organization singna yengleba miyang asigi chapchaba pakum oibasu yai makhatana salaina miyamda thamjaningbadi salai asi kanagumba amadi karigumba posak organization natraga sarkar gi remote control gi device ama natte haibasi lebak miyamda khangan janingi tawbutabu salaidi pokhaidriba amadi sungdoktriba mani muktagi matam ngaidun leiriba maigi ching aduni salaina lebak miyambu matam punamakta ikok nona khurumjari lonena lebak miyamgi yaifannabagi damak salaigi laloisingi ngakasi tungi mirol gi damak kathokcharabani nolukchariba Salai Holdings Private Limited, Sagolbal Tera, Lokrakung Likai, Imphal West, Manipur.
Welcome back after the break. A sit-in protest was staged at the Community Hall of Kaisambat Lemizam Likai today against the delay in results of DPC of All Manipur DPC re-recruitment candidates of Police Constables Male 2016 batch. It was attended by the candidates and the guardians. The spokesperson of this JACY Kiran said, if the DPC is not declared at the earliest, they have decided for further agitations like fasting unto death. Moreover, further agitations will also continue along with several CSOS to save the career and future of 2,887 candidates.
Memorandum sing isin bayaba ne mak isin jakre adi badanta CM ka honorable CM ka ibu ki JC ki mai ki dekha unana ba appointment se thadi jakre hauju baba government ki side ki kari kumba ma te response lakte masi yam thamoi sokna nungai se de candidate mi lising ni pan ga chani bar put tare asigi hak matpi ganu na chana nauna haktani khoi bu haujan bi khoi bu nungsi biu masida honorable CM na nungsi bi gani ya birakani hai bi tha jamsu khoi ki JC ki mai ki dekhi
The first foundation day observance of the Salaicha Apunba Luptil was held at Manipur Press Club in Imphal today. Speaking as chief guest, Ingba Mangang said the main objective of Salaicha Apunba Luptil is to spread message of love and unity and trace the origin of indigenous people of Manipur while following the noble footsteps of forefathers.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯅꯥꯃꯍꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯁꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯪꯅ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯆꯪꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯤꯟꯕ ꯃꯆꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯨꯡꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯄꯤꯁ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯦꯝꯅ ꯌꯦꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯆꯠꯄꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯆꯪꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯁ ꯚꯔꯥ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯩꯁꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯕꯦꯜ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯝꯅ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯪꯁꯊꯥꯟ ꯂꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯂꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯄꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯍꯟꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯂꯥꯏꯆꯥ ꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯂꯨꯞꯇꯤꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯆꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ
The Eastern Scheduled Caste Students Union UNDRO has asked whether placing the Secretary and the Controller of Examination of the Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSEM is a permanent solution to the irregularities occurring in High School Leaving Certificate HSLC examination. This was stated in a press release issued by the Joint Secretary of the Union, Syam Kumar Ningthozam. He further demanded public release of the report submitted by the Inquiry Committee of HSLC case. Besides, the Education Department should going forward allow re-evaluation in HSLC examination. The union boycotts the HSLC examination 2019 until the report is made known to public, the Joint Secretary of the union asserted. Lamjingba Group has launched a subsidiary branch called lamjingbatomtv Limited under the Nidhi company at its office at Rims Road today. The newly opened lamjingbatomtv Limited will be regulated by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India, in which members can avail of the facilities like depositing money, borrowing money and loans. Attending the inaugural function as chief guest, Health Minister L. Jayantikumar said the problem of unemployment will be solved only when the government and private institutions work together. He also expressed his happiness for the new venture of Lamjingba Group.
Being to expect to Karino Habitat, Maruina India context, in particular, Manipur context, like say, Manipur say, Karambulam no habitat, Yampi resource almost nil and habitat. And to Masita lady Maclean like the Mumayam, Apanda, better education qualification, high aspirations, Matugi, innovative ideas, Mayamulu Lapukangus say, Tavok Panga, no white collar job, people on the Maduna in the form of unemployment, educated unemployed youths, Matugi problem, Matugi Kiosama, Matugi Charang Nabama, Matugi Tongan Makligi, Samaj negative impact Mayambalakba, Doke Mayambu. The Lona below poverty line, Makil Kangu. Matugi Kangu Shindana Wari, but Tingamse. The Sokamamla, Mashida, both government and the private sector, the labor, Kutimanga Mashida, combine Torgata with the gay and I will say, soft of the gay, that is our main concern.
Mentioning the important points of Nidhi banking, S. J.K. Mangang, chairman of Lamjingba Group, asked the people to avail of the various benefits made available by the Lamjingbatomtv Limited.
Nidhi core business asi karino haiba taragati borrowing and the lending ne habdi paisa puba masung paisa santokpa haibsina magi business ki core business ni aduga Lamjingbatomtv Limited habdi Nidhi Limited asi regulate tawribana Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India adubu tabudabu RBI ki guidelines ki matungina magi deposit acceptancy amana RBI na yengsanba adugumlaba sector amakangni Haibadi totally Haidi Akoi India Manipur government Kaki Wapam Natana India government ki higher authority Oriba Haidi Central Bank RBI ki observance Makada Ministry of Corporate Affairs the restart Tozaraba Adugumlava company Makangni Aduga Haidaba Sigi objective Haitaragana Kari Oge Hair Kandanga Sagi Koina habit of theft and the reverse fund among the members Hamni. Nidhi Limited asi function tawu matamda aham bagi oina darkar leivsi member oibani paisa lawbagi bu oiro paisa santok bagi bu oiro deposit thambagi bu oiro aduga loan lawbagi bu oiro aham bada darkar oisi hariba facility myam si available oige lawge hai taragati member oibasini adu hariba si member kamai torga oigani haibasi di akoi gi particular hariba office asi da laaga mayamna dum khangbigani.
Commandant of 182 BSF of Koirengai under the initiative of N. Diomau, the battalion today distributed solar street lamps to Nongdam, Laikokching and Oknung Sing Themcha villages under the Lamlai police station. Officiating commandant of the battalion, Thokchom Binod, had a conversation with the villagers and assured of developmental work in the village. Altogether, 6 solar street lamps were distributed today. In connection with the 6th Foundation Day of Laima Group, the group is in association with Department of Transfusion Medicine, RIMS, organized an awareness cum voluntary blood donation camp at Laima Group Auditorium at Singzamay Wangma Kongba Road today. More than 70 voluntary persons donated blood at the camp. Talking to media persons, President of Laima Group, Laitan Them Jibanlata, said the main objective of organizing the blood donation camp is to serve the people by making blood available to critical patients.
Human being nina nomata noma choice na koi asoiba aran ba habase adumak tawi khangna natraga khangdana adubu aikoi khudimaksu nomanta nomadi ishorgi kuyada tingada bangaktani aduna aikoi gi ningjabada aikoi gi wakhalonda aikoi hingai matam sida aikoi na soyanga mayam ma tawragasu aina hingai gi matam sida ida kariguma afaba thabak ama sungsoi soidana toromdaba yati haba wakhalondo madudai dai koi blood donation camp se sinjabani.
Let's take a short break once again.
Parents and Principal Meet 2019. Welcome to all for the Parents and Principal Meet 2019 organized by Quantum University, Roorkee, Uttarakhand. In association with HR Group Career Info Solution, New Chekon on 5th January 2019 at Career Info Solution, New Chekon. For further information, please do contact Career Info Solution 700 5787 546.
Admission open, admission open. Little House Preschool, Singjamai Sograkpam Laikai. Admission open for 2019-2020 session. Facilities available. Day boarding, real-life activity-based teaching. Student-teacher ratio for pre-nursery 6:1. Nursery to class 1, 24:1. For more information, please contact 8787773218.
Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Security personnel involved in Ghafar's death case will not be spared, says Chief Minister. Chief Minister dedicates different projects to public of Lilong. BJP adept in only giving finishing touches, says Ibobi. Contact with Tamenglong lost over Zambia. The People's Chronicle. Congress will return to power at centre state after Lok Sabha polls. Chief Minister announces 112 crore Lilong spruce up package. BJP to kick off poll campaign in state on January 4. Imphal Free Press. Extra attention needed for economic enhancement of Muslim community, says Chief Minister. There was nothing anti-national in Kishore Chandra's dissension. Thangkosei Haukip no more, Kuki NP declares 2 days mourning. Governance should not be biased in favor of ruling or opposition parties, says Lokeshwar. The Morning Bell. Chief Minister dedicates different projects in Lilong to public. Security force personnel involved in Ghafar death will not be spared, says Chief Minister. BJP government treats opposition MLAs as enemies, says MLA Lokeshwar. Cookies Kumpipa no more. Kuki NP declares 2 days mourning. Assam. Second accident reported at Bogibil Bridge. Desam condemns detention of Kishore Chandra. Manipur Mail. Chief Minister dedicates different projects to public in Lilong. NIA files charge sheet against Dr. Shyamo. Meghalaya miners rescue. Air Force airlifts NDRF team to Guwahati.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Former Chief Minister Ibobi blames ruling party of adopting divide and rule policy. MPCC observes 162nd birth anniversary of Bir Tikendrajit. And NUPI SAMAJ observes 38th Foundation Day of Meira Paibee. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.